Here we have the home page of Easy Coins. On the top, we have the option of margin. After opening it, a page will appear on the left of this page. We have two options, favorites and USDT. In favorites, we have all the pairs added to our favorite list. Moreover, in USDT, we have all the pairs available for margin trading. Here we also have the option of search, which we can use to search the ongoing pairs available in case they are not visible. The Ethereum USDT graph is opened on the main screen, and its current price is 2012. On the right side, we have the options of buy and sell. In the buy option, we have a further three options: limit, market, and plan. In the limit, let us suppose the current market price is 2012, but we want to buy it when the Ethereum price lowers to 2010. So we use the limit option for this. The next is the market option. There is a high fluctuation of prices in the market, so it is suggested to do trading on the market price. So we will select the market option. And then we will select the amount percentage on which we want to do trading: 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% of your margin account balance. Next is the plan option. There is high fluctuation in the market every time, so we will define the trigger points. In this way, we make a plan to buy. Let us suppose we will buy 10% of Ethereum when its price lowers to 2010, 50% when its price lowers to 2005, and the remaining when it lowers to 2000. So this is our plan and settings, which we use while trading to decide what we want to do. For now, we get back to the market option. Currently, we have 13.7 USDT available. Here we have two options: transfer and borrow. If we have our USDT in the spot or future wallet, we can transfer them by clicking on the transfer option. Moreover, if we already have USDT on our margin wallet, we will skip the transfer option. Next, we have the option of borrowing. In margin trading, let us suppose we have 13 USDT. We buy some amount from exchange for trading, and they will be automatically or manually returned to the exchange when we close the trade. For this, we will click on the option of borrow. In borrowing, we further have two options. We can borrow the amount in Ethereum, or we can also borrow the amount in USDT. For now, we will go into USDT. Easy Coins have imposed a limit that we cannot borrow less than 100 USDT. Here is another option for the daily rate, which is 0.098%. This daily rate is the amount of interest on the amount you borrowed. Easy Coins will keep charging you this daily interest until you return their amount. We will now enter 100 USDT. After entering the desired amount, we will click on the confirm, and after confirming it, we will receive a notification of successful borrowing on the right side. Now you can see that we have 113.7 USDT. Now we will do trading on the market because there is high fluctuation. Now we'll select the amount percentage on which we want to do trading. For now, we selected 25% here, which is equal to 28.4 USDT, but this amount is not specific. Suppose we want to trade on 30 USDT, we can also enter 30 USDT here. We will click on the Buy Ethereum. After that, we received a notification of success. Here we have successfully opened a trade. Then we will scroll down to check whether the trade is placed or not. When we scroll down here, we have two options: open orders and orders history. In open orders, we will have the orders on which we have imposed a limit in the market. It will include the pending orders that are not filled up yet. In order history, we will have all the orders we have done till now. Let us go through the details of the last order we placed. Here is the time frame at which the order was placed, the pair we selected, which was Ethereum USDT, the direction of trading in our case, which was buy. We have done the trading on the market price. We have made the trade on 30 USDT. Furthermore, here is the status of traded. We had a status of pending or traded. Then we will scroll up, and here we will have all the details of our margin account. Currently, we are in the margin of the Ethereum USDT pair. The total balance we have is 113.55 USDT. The total net value is 13.45 USDT. It is the amount which was our USDT. They have told us the estimated liquidation price, which is 1781.44. If this Ethereum price hit this amount, our account will automatically liquidate. and the 100 USDT we borrowed from the exchange will automatically be returned to them. Then we have a risk ratio, which is 113.4%. Then we have an option of available Ethereum Classic, that how much Ethereum we can further buy. Then there is an option of repay Ethereum Classic, that how many Ethereum we have to return them, which is in our case 0. We also have the option of the available USDT, which we can further buy are 20 USDT, and the USDT we have to return is 100.098 USDT. 100 USDT is the amount we borrowed, and 0.098 USDT is the daily interest we have to pay them. For now, we will close this trade. For this, we will go on the sell option. In sell, just like the buy tab, we have 3 options: limit, market, and plan. In the limit, we can select the point at which we have to do the selling. For now, we will come on the market option. Here we have a total of 0.0148 Ethereum that we can sell. The current market price is 2009. Here we will sell 100% of our Ethereum. For selling, we have to click the sell option. After clicking it, we will receive a notification of success. We will scroll down to check whether our trade has been closed or not in order history. We can see that we have made the trade of Ethereum USDT pair with the direction of sell and the status of traded, which means our trade has been executed in the market and is closed now. In detail, we can see the total balance available. Here liquidation price is not visible because none of our trade is opened. Now we will do buying in the plan option of margin trading. In the buying option of margin trading, we have 3 options: limit, market, and plan. We will go directly to the plan option. Here we can see that the available USDT we have are 9.229 USDT. Just below this, we have the option of trigger price. The current price of Ethereum in the market is 1,630 USDT. The concept is trigger price is similar to the concept of limit. In this, we impose a limit that we will buy and sell automatically at this certain price. So we set a trigger price of 1,620 USDT here. Now we will select the percentage of the amount we have in our account for trading. We can select either 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% accordingly. For now, we have selected 25% from our assets, equal to 2.3 USDT. After that, we clicked on the Buy Ethereum option. When we do this for the first time, a confirmation page will pop up on our screen. We will turn off this secondary notification option so that it will not ask for confirmation again whenever we buy Ethereum. And we will receive the notification of successful. When we scroll down, we can see the details of our order placed in the option of Open Orders. Here we can see the time frame in which the trade was being opened. We can also see the direction of our trade, which is Buy for Now. Then it is showing the price at which we have made the trade, which is the market price. It also shows the details of the amount of USDT we have used in our trading. It is also showing the triggered condition and at what point our trade will be automatically executed. In our condition, it is 1,620, which is the triggered price we set initially. Next, we have the option of status, which shows whether the trade has been executed or not. If the triggered condition has been met, it shows the status of traded. But in our condition, the Ethereum price is at 1,632 USDT, and our status is not triggered, and this status will remain the same until the price of Ethereum does not hit 1,620 USDT. For example, we set another trigger price of 1,640 USDT. The available USDT we have in our account is 6.91 USDT. And we want to make the trade on 75% of this amount, which is 5.19 USDT. When the Ethereum price hits 1,640, these Ethereum will be bought automatically. Then we simply click on the Buy Ethereum option, and we will receive the message of successful that our trade has successfully opened. We will scroll down to check the details of our order. We can see the time frame during which our trade has been placed. Our trade is in the direction of buy. It is showing the amount on which we have done trading. In the end, we have trigger conditions for the Ethereum price of our trade will be executed. In this case, it is 1,640 USDT. And the status of this trade is not triggered, and our trade will not be executed until the price of Ethereum doesn't hit 1,640 USDT. Now we will do selling in the margin trading plan. For this, we have already bought some Ethereum, and how our trade will automatically be executed when that price is being hit. We will open the sell option, and after that, we will go to the plan option. Now we will go to the option of trigger price, and we'll select a price at which we want to do the selling. The current price of Ethereum is 1,633 USDT, so we set up a trigger price of 1,350 USDT. The current Ethereum in our account is 0.0056 Ethereum. Now we will select the percentage of the assets at which we want to do trading. So we choose 25%, and it is equal to 0.0014 Ethereum. This means 0.0014 Ethereum will automatically sell when the market price hits 1,350 USDT. After that, we will click on the option of Sell Ethereum, and will receive the message of successful. Here our trade has been opened successfully. After that, we will scroll down to check the details of our order. In the details, at first, we have the time frame in which the trade was opened. Then we have the direction of the trade, which is sell. Then we have the amount at which we have done the trade. Then we have the triggered condition. At this condition, our trade will automatically be executed. Then we have the status of our order. For now, our status is not triggered and will remain not triggered until our triggered condition is hit. And when the triggered condition is being hit, your status will be transformed into traded. We set another trigger price of 1,345 USDT, and we want to automatically sell 50% of the available Ethereum in our account at this trigger price. So we select 50%, which is 0.0021 Ethereum. And then click on the Sell Ethereum option and receive the message of success. And here our trade has been opened. In the option of Open Orders, we will check the detail of our recent order, and here we can see the time frame on which the order is being placed in the direction of sell. And its triggered condition is 1,345 USDT, and the status of our order is not triggered and will remain the same until the triggered price is being hit. That's how we can do trading in the plan option of margin trading by setting up various trigger prices and execute our trades by making strategies. So this is the whole process of how we do margin trading on EasyCoins.